My name is Connie Sisco, and the photograph I have chosen is photo number 8, and the three concepts I will be discussing are focus, light, color, and tone. In the photograph, it appears to be a very dry landscape, and we see a boat with a man in it, and he's wearing a hat, a colored shirt, and pants. And there's also some sort of a box right here that could be a camera. Also, we see a backpack in his boat, and yeah, the dry climate makes me think that it could be somewhere in California or Utah. So, beginning with the focus, there is 3 dimensions to this photograph because we see the foreground and it's very clear, and the midground is very clear as well, and also the background is very clear. So, we really see the details in every step of the photograph. The photograph seems to be divided into 2 parallel views. So we see here the foreground, and it's kind of divided by the river, and then we see the background. So this is very sharp, as well as this and this. So since the horizon is parallel, it really makes the viewer of the photograph focus on the 2 separate pieces of the photograph and not just at the front, but on the back as well, because both are very clear. The focal point seems to lie on the man and the water because the lighting here and here, and also the way the photograph is positioned. First, our attention is brought here, and then it slowly moves back this way. Next, I will be talking about the lighting. It seems to me that the photograph uses a side lighting and that the light comes from the sun. I say that because we can see the shadows here, here, and here. Also, the lighting seems to be very harsh. We can really see all the lines in detail in the mountains and in the foreground. It appears as if the subject is going out fishing, perhaps, in the morning, and that's what's causing the direction of the shadows. Also, at first, the light takes my focus here, and then it kind of moves this way towards the rocks and the man, and then it slowly travels back here to where the light is intense as well. The lighting makes the water appear to be very still and quiet, and it also reveals the textures in the mountains and the ground. You can just really tell how dry it looks and how the sand looks very soft here. The way the light is hitting, we cannot see any facial features of the man, which makes me think that the photograph is more about the entire scene rather than just focusing on this one subject. He almost appears as if it's just an object placed inside of this whole scene that the photographer really wanted the viewer to capture. There's a variety of color and tones in this photograph. There's a shadow and the light, and it seems to have a full tonal range, which ensures that all the details in the photograph are captured. The tone is used to direct the eye to the lighter areas of the photograph, like here, and here, and here. The highlights seem to be the river, the man, and the boat.